So today I just wanted to do a pretty quick video on some accessories that I've purchased recently in order to help me clean some trickier areas on both the interior and exterior. So these are essentially little sponges on sticks from a company called Sponge Guru. So they have quite a few different kind of shapes and sizes available. So I bought the oval wheel cleaning shape one. They also do a round shape too. And I picked up the Precision kit, which has 4 little sponges in it as well. So you get various kind of different shapes and sizes here. So there's more of a triangular shaped one, and that comes in a small and a large. There's also a diamond shaped one and a teardrop one as well. And this kit costs £10.99. You can also purchase them individually as well, and they're about £3 to £4 depending on which one you get. So starting off with the wheel sponge, I found this quite useful for fitting in that tight gap between the caliper and the wheel barrel, where most wheel brushes unfortunately just don't fit. The uses for it on other parts of the vehicle are more limited, as it is a reasonably large size, so I think having the Precision kit as well kind of covers all bases for me. So as I said, there are a few different shapes within this kit, which at first I thought there wasn't much point for and I wouldn't really get much use out of them and just would probably pick one of them. However, I did actually find them quite useful, particularly for kind of different grille designs or just fitting into areas which had maybe more rounded edges or ones that were a bit straighter. I do think having the kit rather than just purchasing 1 or 2 of the sponges does actually come in handy. I found that they fit into pretty much every gap on the car, and they're quite useful where brushes just really kind of struggle, particularly in areas where the actual collar of the brush will block it and mean that you can't get the bristles all the way to the back of the area that you're cleaning. With this, I just didn't have that problem, and particularly for cleaning door shuts, I found it very, very useful. In terms of how kind of safe using sponges are, personally, the other option that I have for cleaning these kinds of areas is a soft bristle brush. I do think they're as safe and possibly even more safe than that option. So for me, I am happy to use them. I also did really like using them on the interior as well. So I actually just used them totally dry for most of the areas on the interior. And I found them really useful for fitting into those tighter kind of gaps and edges, particularly vents and things like that. Whereas with a brush, it's just not quite as easy. If you're trying to kind of jam a brush into those areas, then the bristles tend to splay and you just don't get as good of a contact patch really. And the very soft bristle brushes don't quite have enough bite to them, so if the vents are particularly dusty, they don't work quite as well. Whereas with these sponges, I do feel like I was able to get a really good clean with them. In terms of kind of how durable they are, I've only used these over the past few weeks, so I can't really comment long term, but they do feel pretty sturdy, and there are no signs so far of the sponge kind of peeling away from the wooden stick. They are pretty cheap though, so I'm not going to be super upset if I have to replace them every few months. I will pop a link in the description to a few different places that you can get these if you do like the look of them. I have personally found them quite useful. So if you are looking for an option to clean those kind of tighter and trickier areas on a car, then they are definitely worth looking into. If you have enjoyed this video, it'd be brilliant if you could drop it a like, and thanks very much for watching.